Easy does it today. I want to fight with Qraig, voicemail and Gago. Well, easy. What going, brothers?
Why we're there, you know?
First of all, Qraig, it's been a while.
Boy, it's been a while, you know,
but you do the work.
But you know it go, you know what I mean? Work in silence and make the music speak for itself, but that's a go on right now.
Yeah.
So me I say?
Introduce me to the dancer now.
Well, here we go on now. This is Gago, Pata Pata, you know, and create the big hot hit dance right now in a dancer called Easy Shake. You see me I say, and you don't know the thing go, we keep the culture soaring like the birds them in the sky, you know what I mean? Always a soar to new heights and always a big new use to the ground. So this is Gago Pata Pata, you know what I mean? I'm going to make you know about the dance, Easy Shake, you know what I mean? So that's one of the hot things right now.
Gago, tell me a little bit about this dance, where you have, you know, where it come from, what's the inspiration behind it?
The concept of the Easy Shake come from a dance I call Pata Pata. That's where the concept comes from. I was at Sparta Unstoppable one day and training, that's where the Easy Shake just come.
Qraig, talk to me now. We know you're one of the artists that always work with youth, especially when it comes to dancing in the streets. Yeah. But them obviously have something that catch your attention, catch your eye. What was it about this dance, or even the dance, that will make you know, so you know, well, say, well, give him the run?
I do a song called Dance for the Streets. I put the dance Easy Shake in it, and Pata Pata take theme part out of the song and promote it. I love that energy there. Bring me back to the days when, you know, we are cricketed and ding and the whole way far, and just the whole hungry, you know, just being hungry and just want it. I love that drive then. I always say, if me get dancers behave or Pata Pata behave, it will be the nicest thing. And then as an individual, you know, I like him spirit and him humble, you know, work hard, you know. One thing, him going to call you, him going to come to you and I say, yo, I have a new dance named Easy Shake, him now gonna stop. You know what I mean? Very persistent. I like that. I like him drive and I say him want it. Remind me of myself as well. You know what I mean? And the dance explain itself, you know, it's easy to do. You know, and just a nice little unique looking dance, and it don't look like nothing where they in a dance hall, which I love. You know, and how me normally write songs to dance, me have to like it. So even if I dance around the place, if I don't like it, I can't support it. I'm not gonna feel free.
What made you decide to, you know, so want to link up with Qraig?
It's not really me still, you know. Me have to give tribute to Dancehall Bling and Kojo Hotfoot. Them basically bring Qraig attention to the dance. So that's where everything basically come from. Dancehall Bling and Kojo Hotfoot. Them bring Qraig and say, Qraig, you know, say we see this youth in the street with a hot dance, we think you will like it. And that's where Qraig say, okay, and see the dance and say, alright then, I'm going to work with it. Because the dance say, the whole world a shake. Easy!
And why Kojo decide and Dancehall Bling decides them to
Who plays me always there? Either I'm there in the studio, or I'm there. Who are the places when we create a lot?
In the kitchen, you have to tell them.
In the kitchen, that's why I said the yard.
In the kitchen. Tell them they're baking something there.
Always the one.
If we start talking about baking something there, we don't have interview time left.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
So when you come on to the streets now, you know, I have my time when I'm there road, and then I have my time when I'm not there road. You know, when I'm not there road now, I always link Dancehall Bling and say, yo, how the street look? And I'm going to say, yo, I saw the street look, and then we link up and then we vibe. Our culture is always about the streets, whether people want to accept it or not. So we're in the streets. Yeah, so when we link Dancehall Bling, times I have an idea to do something. Dance in the street. That was where everything started. And I'm on to the dance and when the street gravitate and with the street love.
Yeah.
That's how the whole Easy Shake come to me. I say, yo, man, I love that dancer. You know, so I can do a song for that dancer. You see me, I say, so I have to big up Dancehall Bling and as him say, Kojo. Because anytime I say, yo, how the street look? We just call Dancehall Bling. And let me know how I go on the streets.
So, Gago, you've been in the streets for a little while now. You know, we see a move with the dance crew, them and Boom Bam Bam. Talk to me a little bit about, you know, your career leading up to this point. You know, where you been up to in terms of, is this your first dance?
No, I do a dance named Pata Pata before, and then after the Pata Pata, I do the Easy Shake. So right now, I just see myself create more moves. Just to myself, I just create more moves. Keep going, and now give up. Qraig don't tell you already. You get to me and say, just continue.
Who are some of the dancers that influence you?
First, me have to pick up Sparta Unstoppable generation straight. The youth there's a good youth. The youth there really bring me and took me and say, yo, watch your brother. This is how you're supposed to do certain things. Me have to pick up Get There Squad as well. Pick up Energy and the whole Get There Squad. Black Star Disciple, Shella. You know, one team in the street, same way.
As a youth where, boy, foundation when it comes to dancing and dancing song and all them things. How you feel about the whole state, just where the music, they were dancing there, you know what I mean? How you feel about that dancing something there right now in a dance hall?
Well, I love it, you know. One of the greatest things about our culture and content, it always evolving.
Yeah.
You know, whether the music, whether the dancing, food, whatever it is, our culture is always evolving. The dance space right now, everybody getting involved.
Yeah.
You know, you have a thing called This Is Dancehall, you have a thing called Lego the Street, you have a thing called This Is Dancehall, you have a thing called Unity Amongst Dancers. So I love it. And how I want, whether the man and a man in a deal, end of the day, how I want.
We know see you work on a bag of things too, because you have an album where you work on as well.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, man. I have to pick up Alive Enterprise. You know, right now, you know they are the headquarters, Frankie Music Studio. The album is entitled "Listen to Me." This is going to be my first solo album. I did an EP before Frankie Music, which was extremely awesome. You know, but with the evolution of Icemail, we're strengthening Qraig with a Q and strengthening Kevin P. This is going to be my first album. You know, it's always going to be music, but that I do is always going to be paying tribute to people who play a heavy role in my music. This album is definitely going to be dedicated to O'Neal, as a lot of people who have talked to know, you know. So super excited about it. It's 12 tracks, you know, and it's just amazing.
We're going to see the dancehall stuff as well too.
Oh yeah, man, for sure. You know, I am dancehall. You know, at the end of the day, that's it. You know, that's the banner I will always carry, no matter how my sound and the sing. You know what I mean? Dancehall represents straight, and that never ever change. So I'm excited. From the dancing to the reggae to the, you name it, it's all there.
What we can look out from you next?
Just more creative bad dance, you know what I mean? And what I want to tell the youth them in the street, say, everybody in the street, all of the skankers them in the street, they're going to just make one unite, help other dancers, don't be selfish in the streets, one love and unity in the street. Straight, that's all me ask.
Lastly now, tell me what's the most intense thing about Easy Shake for you?
Shaking the whole globe, man, well easy.
How about you, Gago?
Alright. What made me the most intense is Qraig Vicemail doing an Easy Shake song, because if you never have an Easy Shake song, you could have an intense. Definitely.
That's a good one. Gago. That's a good one. Qraig Vicemail, Easy Shake. Hey, hey.
Let's go.
Yo.